To begin making a database, go to your cPanel, find the MySQL Databases icon. When you click on this icon, you come to a page where you can create a database. First thing you do is give your database a name. And click Add Database, Add DB. Tells you your database has been created. You now hit the Go Back link, and you'll see that your database has been created. You'll notice in cPanel that it adds a prefix and an underscore to the name given to your database. Now we need to create a user for the database. This can be any username you want, and of course a password. And add the user. We've now created a user, and once again we hit the Go Back. We have one more step left here. We have a database and we have a user, but the user is not associated yet with the database. You will want to copy. You'll see also the user gets prefixed by cPanel. You want to make a note of these because you'll be needing this information and the password to set in a config file for a script you may be uploading or wanting to use. The next step is we've got our database, we've got our user. We want to add the user to the database. Once again, you hit the Go Back, and if everything worked correctly, you'll now see your new database, and you'll see users in that database, and you'll see the user you created. Some scripts from this point on, you would simply enter that information, the database name with the prefix, the username with the prefix and the password, and the script during the install will automatically create tables in your database. Some scripts, however, require that you load an SQL file to create the database. In that case, you come down here to phpMyAdmin, and when this page loads, you'll see your new database listed on the left, but it has no tables listed. In order to create the tables using a SQL file, you click on the name of the database. Once this page loads, you come up to SQL, and here you can now browse to the SQL folder on your hard drive, and we'll locate an SQL folder here. And here we have an SQL folder, an SQL file which we can create the database tables. We open that and you'll see it gets listed in here, and all we have to do now is hit the Go button. It will import the SQL file, and you can see over here on the left now it has created all the tables for the database. Now there's various things you can do in here in my phpMyAdmin, but we've successfully created a database, imported the SQL file, and we can now install our script.